Hello, fellow wealth seekers, and welcome to my channel. You might be wondering, why should I listen to this guy? In a world full of finance influencers, I bring something different. Decades of real-world execution. I've navigated very complex commercial landscapes, managed 9-digit P&Ls, from forecasting multi-year budgets to optimizing cash flow across markets. I do bring the solidity of hard financial knowledge applied to the commercial marketplace. Understanding how buyers move and how platforms scale, I have the dexterity of spotting the opportunity before the mass market. Behind wealth, there is knowledge, and behind knowledge, there is people. That is why I've opened this channel to mentor you with the same rigor I use in the control room. I've led organizations through change, mentored future leaders, and built teams from scratch. I've built my expertise and wealth according to a mix of long-term saving plans and single wildcard stock picks. If you want to move beyond basic knowledge and understand the strategy of wealth, always backed up by data, you are in the right place. Strategic, financial, commercial. Welcome to the team. Hit that subscribe button and let's get to work.